All right, so the next thing that we're going to talk about is the external angle theorem. I'm going to make this as simple as the triangle sum theorem, pretending that all of these are actually straight lines. We're looking at number 1 on the worksheet. The external angle theorem simply says an outside angle, say this is 142, is the same as the two inside angles, the two furthest inside angles. So not counting this adjacent angle, we're not counting that one. External angle theorem says if we're measuring the external angle, it's going to be equal to the non-adjacent internal angles. So that's 76, and this is my x. We're not really sure what that one is. So let's go ahead and write our theorem out in algebraic form. The hardest part of geometry is always going from the geometry to the algebra. So the external angle is always equal to the two furthest internal angles. In this case, it's x plus 76. So how do we solve for x? Well, we're going to subtract 76 from both sides to isolate our variable. And x equals 142 minus 76 is going to be 66, I believe. Let me run that on a calculator really quick. It's getting a little late where I am. I don't want to make any careless mistakes. There we go, 66, great. So our external angle is equal to our two non-adjacent internal angles added together. 76 plus 66 is 142. It works. And it will always work. That's one of those things that will always be true, so long as these are all straight lines. Okay, let's try another example. Let's look at an algebraic example like number 7. So number 7 has a triangle that looks a little bit like this. The external angle is 74 degrees. We know it's the external angle because it's on the outside of the triangle. So the external angle is 74 degrees. And our two internal angles, this one is x plus 21. This one is 2x plus 20. Okay, so the external angle is the same as the two non-adjacent internal angles. Where's my external angle? It's right here. Where are my two internal angles? They're right here. These are my non-adjacent ones. So even if we knew what this one was, right here, we would not use it because that's an adjacent angle. But we could technically use that knowing our angle relationships, and we'll get into that more later. We will eventually get to the point that we are using all of the information that we've learned in other units and other sections in order to solve for these triangles. Okay.
Dad, I need to go potty.
Okay. I'm going to finish this up really quick, and then we're going to go potty, okay?
Okay.
We've got x plus 21 plus 2x plus 20. Feel free to pause and rewind if you need to, because I'm going pretty fast. So these are our two internal angles equals our external angle of 74. Okay, combining like terms, x and 2x and 21 and 20, we get 3x plus 41 equals 74. I'm going to minus 41 from both sides. That gives us 3x equals 33. So divide by 3 on both sides, and then we get x equals 11. If you need help practicing the algebra part, let me know. We can definitely do that, or I can give you some extra exercises to try. So x equals 11 is going to be our answer. Feel free to reference this video whenever you need to.